¿Qué onda, vatos? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. Infamous here, not on the motorcycle, but kind of indoors. It's a little cold outside and it's raining. I don't really ride in the rain, but let's go over, just because of the winter, it's getting colder. Now, I know California is not absolutely as cold as where you guys live. Some of you guys live out in Chicago, some of you guys are out there in the central, some of you guys are up north more, so you guys are going to be dealing with a lot more colder temperatures. But out here in California, we're spoiled when it comes to the weather. That's pretty much it. We're just talking about the weather-wise here in California. We're not going to be talking about the taxes, the stupid policies, the dumb political views.
¡Inga tu madre! Ya, no le busque, compadre.
Let's get back onto the subject of the video, my riding gear. Now, I do have a full mask. This is the work gear full mask. This one I got, I believe, for $10 or $15 on Amazon. This is pretty good. Fits inside of the helmet. I've actually even ridden with this on Anna beanie, representing San Jose. Sharks, of course, they're garbage. But anyways, let's keep on going with the video. The topic of the video. Absolutely great mask. It blocks out a lot of the wind. Now, wind temperatures are absolutely a lot. You probably want to have this guy on underneath the helmet and, you know, just tucked inside the your shirt just to get that wind out. That way you're not freezing your butt off. Let's go down to the next thing. I have this motorcycle flannel shirt from Speed and Strength, and there's a little bit of insulation here. I do tend to wear a lot of layers, mainly because I'm just really sensitive to the cold, and I could wear this kind of, as you can see, this is a Dixon shirt, and then I'll wear an additional layer underneath, and I still have room to kind of put more layers on. And I do tend to maybe even ride with probably 2 more layers of hoodies or sweaters and whatnot. But this is a pretty good one. You have a zipper and you have a button style of sealing, so it kind of helps with the wind a little bit more. And you could also use a leather jacket or something else. That's probably a little bit better for the wind. Maybe like a windbreaker. But this one, this jacket I've had for many years already, and it also has Velcro around the sleeves, and we're gonna get into that on the gloves. But you also have padding for this one. You have a back pad, but I always wear my vest. If you guys already know from all my videos, I wear the vest. And there's also padding for your elbows. There's padding for your back. And I believe that's it. And I believe this might be some Kevlar in this. It's lining by DuPont Kevlar. So you have a little bit more protection in case anything, God forbid, anything were to happen. But you have some extra protection. I believe this was about $100. I got this on a sale, just like my vest and my helmet, my lane splitter, not the Simpsons. I got it all on a clearance sale. If you guys can find these items on a sale, it'd be better. So I got this for about, I believe, $60, and a great design, a nice look. I like these extra sleeves, and you also have another pocket over here. I believe this is a weather sealed pocket. So you also have this. It doesn't have any pockets on the side over here. So it's a good flannel style sweater, jacket, something like that. Good to kind of have on top of a hoodie or a long sleeve shirt. And let's get into, of course, the vest. I get a lot of comments about the vest. I get a lot of comments about it when I'm out riding, when I go get my groceries. I pick up groceries at the store, or when I'm out putting gas on the bike, I get comments about the vest. And I've gotten it, especially right now. People think it's a bulletproof vest. A lot of people, because of what's going on, the riots and everything else. I'm sorry, I mean the peaceful protests. Sorry about that, guys. I know. But this is the Speed and Strength True Grit Armored Vest. I also got this on sale, and there's armor in the back, there's armor in the front. It's not ideal, full gear, but I just like it. I know It's a little bit of, you know, a little bit of armor. It's kind of like buying the light cigarettes, or, you know, buying methanol or whatever. You know what? A little bit of extra protection. It's pretty good. And I don't like wearing the full gear, mainly because it restricts me, and I like feeling. I just like, you know, I like being comfortable on the bike, especially on the Harley-Davidson. You're more comfortable. You know, you're more. You know what? That's not this video. So let me keep on going on with my gear. So this is my Speed and Strength 2 grit. I have a couple extra things over here. This is mainly for it's a multi-tool. It's for the GoPros, and it's for the bike, just in case. It's always good to kind of have it. And I also have saddlebags, so I also have other stuff over there. But this is just what I wear. I also have another little thingamajig over here, and this is my GoPro remote switch. It sucks. It's absolutely garbage, but I still have it on there. And I believe there's a little bit of reflective material on the straps. And it's fully adjustable. I really like it. It stands out a lot, and I think I'm known for the vest now on my videos. It's something that people, I think they already recognize. A lot of people, like I said, I get a lot of comments about it. Everybody absolutely loves the vest. So this comes in 2 colors. I got this one mainly because it was on sale, and like I said, it was a clearance event. And I have you have a removable padding on the back, and you have an extra pocket over here. This is where I keep my key fob. It's where I keep my wallet. It's where I keep the digital recorder that I'm using right now, as you can see right here. That's where I keep that. And then you also have a couple extra belt loops, just to kind of hold stuff in place. It doesn't, you know, move around too much, but I've never had any issues with it moving or anything like that. So it's absolutely great, minimal protection, but it's still protection. So I guess it helps out quite a bit. So I have that. And of course, if I absolutely wanted more padding, more insulation, I'd go with another jacket. But here in California, I don't think it's necessary. So let's go on to the gloves. These are the ones I absolutely love, the Revit. This one is the one I would probably recommend for winter riding, mainly because the extended wrist protection. It actually helps out. Let me just show you guys real quick. I can tuck my sleeve inside of the glove. These are the dirt. They're like adventure touring style gloves, and there's the sensitivity to the touch pads are absolutely amazing. There's a little extra reflective material, or a little bit of material that just works. For some reason, these work so much better than my other gloves that I've had. So I've had these for I think 3 years already. Yeah, it's been a while. So this is something that I would do right here. Just kind of tuck in the my long sleeve, tuck it into the glove, and then, you know, seal it. So I have a really good seal against the wind. You don't want the wind to go inside and then freeze your butt off. But that's probably why I would use these for winter time when it's a little bit colder. We're talking about maybe the 40s or 50s, low 50s. I know some of you guys ride absolutely in the 30s, and some of you guys even commented it down in the comments. You guys even ride in single digits. I'm not man enough to do that. So you guys leave your your absolute coldest temperature that you're willing to go out and ride. Go ahead and leave them in the comments. Let me know what you guys out there are willing to ride in. For myself, I think my limit's probably in the low 40s. I don't think I ride if it's colder than that. But that's, you know what, that's just me. We're spoiled once again in California. And then these are my everyday riding gloves. I like the style. I like the look of it. And as you can see, there's a lot of ventilation in the gloves. Probably not ideal for riding in the cold weather. These are the Fly 2s from Revit once again. And they just don't reach down over to my sleeves, or they don't have that wrist protection and that wrist support that covers up the sleeves. So when I'm riding with this, I do get a little bit of wind, a little bit of air going in here, and it does make a difference. So these I just use when the weather, I believe, is probably like in the low 50s. Anything colder than that, I'm going to use the dirt gloves, the adventure style gloves. So, and Other than that, I'll probably wear some long johns. You know, having a full thermal fabric insulation on the inside of my pants and in the inside of my shirt. I do have compressed long boxer briefs that I also use to kind of help with the insulation, to help with the wind. And that's it. I think you guys also know that I like wearing my boots. They have a good protection throughout the ankle and all the way up, and I absolutely love wearing boots. But you know what? Let's just stick to mainly having the cold temperatures, and this just kind of adds a little bit more insulation on my feet. You could also wear snow socks, which is something that I also do. I wear snow socks in California, so. Wear the snow socks, wear the long johns, wear the thermal insulated long johns. You could wear that, and you could also, you know, put on higher support boots, something that they'll help with the wind. Mainly, it's just the wind. That's what gets us riders when we're riding, is that cold weather. So, just you know what? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys like to wear, and I know a lot of you guys ride in a lot more colder temps. I know some of you Canadians, you guys are a lot more resistant to the cold temperatures, and I know that because when I go you know, watch the Sharks practice, they're typically wearing shorts all the way through winter, from now all the way till like February, and they'll just wear shorts. They'll wear you know, t-shirts. They don't mind the cold weather. So I don't know. We're just spoiled here in California. You guys just stay out there, stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't believe everything you read. All right, later.